it is. Boeing Field. That is I-5 up there. And that back there, it just came from Georgetown. And look at that. Flat. It's about, I don't know, maybe 2 miles is flat land there. Ah, it's fantastic. I love it. And I think that's what Sacramento Valley looks just like that. All flat. 500 miles of flat land. When I'm done with my schooling, I want to go on a bicycle trip from Seattle to Sacramento. So why stop at Sacramento? Let's go to San Francisco, huh? Anyways, it's all flat. And I better get going. Look at all those planes. So, I don't know how much farther I got to go to Kevin and Shelley's, but I tell you what, this is fun as hell today. So I'm listening to Matchbox 20 right now. For some reason I love listening to Matchbox 20 when I'm bicycling. Yeah, this is all flat. This is so much fun. So I must have rode about 15 miles by now. Wow, there's a headwind right now. I better put this away.